All right, what's up everyone? I am currently still in England and this is gonna be the kind of first video of a series of videos. Now this one's gonna be quite a bit different. I actually was able to do a factory tour of Rolls Royce and Bentley. Rolls Royce, I was finalizing a spec for one of my clients, just making sure the whole process went nice and smooth. And then at Bentley, again, was just a factory tour, just checking out their new hybrid system, again, for another client potentially down the road. So I got to do those things. Now wasn't sure how much I'd be able to film. And to be honest with you, I wasn't able to film nearly as much as I would want to, but the whole thing with the factory tour is that there are client builds on the line, and for confidentiality purposes and all that, they can't allow any filming within those areas. So I filmed what I could. I did film one of the speccing rooms in Rolls Royce, so you guys get to kind of see that. It's gonna be kind of a musical like overlay over just the footage. So this is gonna be very, very different for one of my videos for sure. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Please take a look. Again, the beginning is Rolls Royce and then I move over to Bentley. At Bentley, there was a really cool heritage collection where they had, I don't remember, 8 or 10 cars there with insane history. So enjoy looking at those. All those cars are still roadworthy. One thing I found that is very, very interesting is that I got up close to those cars and they're not detailed to perfection, guys. They are actually they wanted to keep them in more of their natural form. And so there's tons and tons of stuff on them where I'm like, wow, I'm kind of surprised, but I also do get they want to keep it heritage, true to what the vehicle was. They also had a vehicle there that was the 2003 24-hour Le Mans winning car. Really, really cool there. So make sure to stay tuned for that. You'll see the footage of it. Enjoy. All right, what's up everyone? I am currently in a town called Chichester in England. This is home to Goodwood Raceway and also Rolls Royce motor cars. And that's what I'm here today to do. So I'm going to be going to the factory, doing a little bit of a tour, and then also finalizing a spec for one of my clients just to confirm everything while I'm here. So I don't know how much I can film while I'm there, but I figured I'd try and bring you guys along for as much of it as I can. So here we go. All right, guys, so I wasn't able to film that much at Rolls Royce, right? The main reason for that was client confidentiality, right? They have some customers' cars on the line. They don't expose who those are, so you're not allowed to film within the actual manufacturing process. So I am now, you see a bit of hotel, at a place called Stoke-on-Trent. I'm actually gonna be driving about 30 minutes to another place called Crewe, and that is the home of Bentley motor cars. So we're gonna head over there. Again, I don't know how much I can film. We're gonna see, so let's go. All right, guys, so there you go. Like I said, very, very different video, but thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I will be doing some big updates. We filmed a lot of content with my buddies, Lotus Elon. It was a 92 Lotus Elon. We did a lot of work to it, basically a full kind of light restoration. So we filmed that whole process. I actually worked with some detail shops here in the UK. Incredible people, got to work with a bunch of really cool people on the project. And then we finished out at Lotus for a driving event and factory tour there. So that'll be a big video coming up. Actually, there'll probably be some pieces throughout, but that's it for today's video. I'm gonna enjoy my, what are these called? Jammy Dodgers? Jammy Dodger, delicious little treat from the UK. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.